Hi guys, Sylvia here, and here I come to you with my ClipsReel review. So we'll be checking out this new software today called ClipsReel, and in short, this software is going to convert text into videos for you. So who would that be beneficial for? I'm just thinking, off the top of my head, probably people who have some products on Amazon, and they want to again convert that advertisement on Amazon into a video, and then maybe share that video on social media. Maybe if they have some beauty products or fitness stuff like that, putting that on perhaps Facebook or Instagram would be not a bad idea, because it is more eye-catching, obviously, a video, and there's a bunch of things you can do with that video. It's going to make a simple, kind of slide video, so that text will be shown in slides, but then you can put a voiceover, you can put music at the background, you can make it wow, you can make it impressive looking. There's sky's the limit. You can do with it what you want. I mean, there will be a bit of manual work to do, but if you have a passion for it, if you have a vision idea or on how to do that, then yeah, obviously there's a lot you can do with it. Guys, I have the full demo for you. I mean, the demo is actually on the sales page, so you can get to the sales page via my link that I have put below my video, and I actually have the full members access, so like the review access, right? So I will be playing around with the software, so you will see what it's like inside the members area. So yeah, I was saying Amazon, but then also if you have an e-commerce or maybe Shopify, all of that, then you could make use of this software. Anyhow, I'll probably come up with more ideas as we go along. So let's dive in. Check out the sales page first. So it says ClipsReel instantly turn any URL. So yeah, the your blog or your website URL, yeah, and it will change it into a video with slides. Okay. So anyhow, instantly turn any URL or Amazon, Shopify, Walmart or AliExpress product page into a profitable target getting video in seconds. I think what they're referring to is that it is more eye-catching, and therefore the chances would be higher that you would attract more potential buyers this way. Okay, robust AI technology does all the heavy lifting. Video creation 50 times faster than normal, no experience required. Yes, it is very simple to use, that's for sure. Okay, if you wish to purchase, guys, the software, you can do it via the link below my video. If you want to buy it from me, you can get it from my link, and it will take you to this sales page. You just click get started with ClipsReel instant access, and voila, that's how you buy it. Alright, so let's go ahead. Here are some features. Guys, go ahead through the sales page, because I actually want to play around with the software and show you what you're gonna get inside, so you have a better understanding of what you would be getting yourself into, right? Okay, I'm just scrolling. Yeah, it's just showing you kind of the videos, yeah, you would be creating with the software. So yeah, go ahead, play those videos, check it out, and you actually on the sales page have a full demo, which is about 4 minutes long, so definitely watch that demo before buying the software. Yeah, it's cloud-based, all of that, and yeah, it's quite a long sales page actually, but not to worry, we'll make it, we will make it. Okay, so for e-commerce, yeah, blah blah blah, you know the drill. Sorry, I don't mean to be rude. It's just I've had a long day, but okay, we are back. I just want to check the prices actually. So at the sales page right at the bottom, you will have two options. So you will have the personal one, and you will have the one with that you can actually use it for your clients. Okay, one thing to take note of, guys, is 14 days money back guarantee. Normally we have like 30 days, so but no, they give you 2 weeks. So you know, play around with it for a week, max 2, before you decide whether you want to keep it or not. Okay, if not, up to 2 weeks you have a no question money back guarantee. Okay, so here we got to the prices. So it's the personal one and the commercial one. So with the commercial one, you know, all of the features are the same, some like additional features. Okay, so the one that kind of stands out to me is like with the commercial one you have 8 video templates for video customization. With the personal one you have 5 video templates for video customization, and it seems like, yeah, all the same. So for the personal one, $35 during the launch. They might be putting it up, I don't know, after the launch. It launched yesterday, I believe. And for the commercial one, it would be $39. So guys, if you want to use it for your clients, if you also want to just put it up there on fiverr.com, that you know you do that, you provide a service that you can convert text into video, then you can probably sell it, you know, the service. So some frequently asked questions right at the end of the sales page. Check it out in your own time, guys. That's it. That's all I can spend on the sales page now. Okay, so here we are inside the software. As you can see, you have the dashboard here, you have the projects, so the, you know, that created. So yeah, you will have it all here, you know. Okay, this is like a JV, guys, JV access. So you know it's gonna look different when you would buy it as a new, you know, new product, right? So that's where you do the integrations. As you can see, you can integrate your social media accounts. You can connect, share it, right, and you can join them on a webinar. Okay, they do like a live webinar as well. Okay, well, it may be of your interest and help. Should you need any help, hit them up on support. Now let's go to the dashboard and see what you can actually do with it. Okay, here inside you also have like a full demo, so you know you may want to watch it first. So here it says like create beautifully animated videos in seconds. See how ClipsReel uses its powerful AI to convert any keyword or URL to a profitable animated video in any niche. Alright, so what you can do, you can copy and paste your content. So you'll have 3 options. Copy and paste your content and then convert it into a video, like slides, you know, with the text. Then you can customize it, and then use articles to convert a blog or an article into a video, or e-commerce details page. So let's check out the first one and see what we can do here. So paste and copy your content. So title, let's test, and then let's just go and copy some, I don't know, whatever text, right? So okay, let me just grab this. Okay, so here I am, guys. I'm just gonna grab this. Sorry, I guess my internet is a bit slow. That's why it's doing that thing. It kind of freezes sometimes. Okay, that in, you know, paste it here. Alright, and then let's see what it's gonna do with it. And then you just click next. Trying to do that. Sorry, my picture will have to go up. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to click next. Alright, let's see what it's gonna do for us. Okay, so we choose a video dimension, so let's take the regular, and then next. Well, what now? Okay, so it's fetching templates. Let's see how fast it's gonna be. Now bear in mind this, my internet connection may not be of the fastest speed. Alright, so whichever template, this one, and then let's see what else it's gonna do for us. Alright, and here we have it. So let me go back down. Alright guys, so this is what it's gonna look like, nothing fancy, but there's, like a lot you can do with it. So here you have the text that has been converted into that video. So as you play that video, you will have those slides. Okay? And where is the text? So like simple slides. It is loading, it says it's loading. Okay, so the text is here, as you can see. Now you can put in more text. You can obviously make it larger. You can, play. You have a few features: media, audio. You can, add like voiceover, change the style. So, just make it pretty. If you have imagination, if you have a vision, you can do with it whatever you want. And then you can save the project. And then just download it. I'm sure they have this option to download. Right, okay, so let's go back on the dashboard. So here you can convert the blog or an article. So you just put in the URL, and the process is similar to the one I have shown you guys. Again, you can customize, you can edit as to your own liking. And then the e-commerce. For the e-commerce as well, you have that option. So 3 options. So I would say, guys, just make it as pretty as you possibly can, as engaging. You can add some, like, maybe even artificial voice. I don't know if I would do artificial. I think a real voice always sounds better to me. I'm kind of like allergic to this artificial voice when I watch the videos. I don't personally like it, but it's obviously as to everybody's liking and taste, up to everybody's liking and taste, right? But yeah, another thing I would do, I would probably play some cool music at the background, because music can really evoke some serious emotions in people, and you can really play around with people's imagination again and their like emotions. So actually, what I will suggest to you, like if you want to pick up the software, I remember I have recently reviewed quite a cool software that actually, I'm just gonna check it on my phone, but the name of that software, but I'll attach that link, my review, below this video as well. You may want to check it out, guys. I'm just checking what was the name of that software. I think it was called Audify. So what Audify does, it creates those like copyrights-free music tracks. And I love that software. I was so excited when I was reviewing it. So it does that for you. So you won't have any strikes. For example, if you would play, if you are not playing copyright-free music tracks on YouTube, and especially if your YouTube channel is monetized, then you'll really get yourself into trouble. So yeah, I was just thinking, it just crossed my mind. So like, you could combine those two softwares and, create really some, like quality, engaging, eye-catching videos. So depending on what kind of business you run, what you have, what you sell, it could potentially skyrocket your sales and, just better the conversions, right? Anyhow, that's it for now. I don't know, I was going to say something else, never mind. Here is the funnel, guys. I will not now going through all of that, be quite big, like long, and they have quite a few upsells. My recommendation always is, guys, get the front end if you like it, fine, keep it. If you don't like it, return it back to the owner, back to the seller. Yeah, but if you do like it, you know, then just simply ask them, hit them up on support and ask them to advise you what kind of upsell would be most suitable for you. So here are the upsells, guys. You are welcome to pause the video and read on the features you will get with every single of the upsells. So upsell number 1, here is upsell number 2, upsell number 3, 4, how many do they have? Oh my goodness. Upsell number 5, okay, 5 upsells. All right. So this is what it is. That was my ClipsReel review. So I don't know. It's a simple software, does the job. That's the main thing. And it's up to you what you want to do with it. And yeah, just make those videos as engaging as you possibly can. Attractive looking, then yeah, it can potentially increase your sales. I would believe so. Anyhow, love you and leave you. Give me some likes, give me some love, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Sorry, maybe I have been a little bit slow today because it's like almost 11 p.m. in London. So late for me. I think I'm gonna hit the pillow right after I upload this video. About time, you know, I need my beauty sleep, don't I? We all do. Alright, ciao, have a beautiful day, depending on where you are in the world. Or in my case, sleep well. Okay, bye.